Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 71 GMC here. Starts up nice, sounds good. Here you can see got aftermarket gauges on it. I don't know if they're working because the original gauge is working for the oil. Gas just above empty. You can see it come up a little bit. Source this radio, Alpine.
Smallest car. It was made in the 1960s. One of the most interesting features of
There's the fan working.
Was what? A, if you parked it on a sewer grate, it could fall through. B, instead of a reverse gear, you got out of the car, walked around, grabbed the handle, pulled it backwards, walked back in, got it, and drove off. Or C, instead of looking through a windshield, the driver's head
no horn
through the roof. You looked around that way.
Ah, okay. I am going to go with C.
There, it runs really good. Sounds good. Got it. Must have Edelbrock carburetor, I believe, on it. Chrome bell covers, power steering, power brakes. There's your headlights. You see the exhaust isn't very old on it. There's your tail lights. So I think except for the horn, everything works. So any questions? 605-695-7391.